bird netting, seeing ring clips, nylon cord, netting. Yeah, it looks like they drilled in here and there those anchor bolts. Zippers are placed where light bulbs might need to be changed, because that's actually a zipper. And then they use C-rings to clip onto that to hold that on, or hog ring clips or whatever they're called. There's some kind of noise maker there. I'm guessing that's probably motion activated. They got it to the beam and then wrapped around the beam. It's they drilled into the beam and then put those clips on there, and then they wrapped it around and attached it that way. Or zippers over here where it needs to be clipped. Some other kind of noise maker. There in that box they got spikes, those forget what they call them things, pigeon, you can see that box up there, but on top of that they just put those pigeon spikes, or what the heck are them, I don't know, I forget what they're called. Same thing on that one. Another zipper for that light bulb. Another noise maker over there. Looks like some kind of master control box right there. Maybe that's the motion detector thing. It's a timer. I don't know. I have no idea what that is. Some kind of, obviously, noise maker. It's got something on it. I don't know what that must be, the master control box for it. I'm not sure what that is. On top of that pillar, they put spikes. Spikes on that pillar.